Deez Rutz. Got him!
Whoa. You are muddy. Okay. As you can see, we're on a pretty steep incline here. It's pretty crazy. But this is what it's about, man. Okay, so Tim's gonna drive. Sam's not feeling too confident right now. Be careful, Lucy.
Figure out the hack. Like,
exactly.
Got this.
I mean, this is some gnarly terrain here.
You're running.
Yeah.
I mean, and you get in these Deez Rutz.
Got him!
And it is not your own destiny any longer.
Deez
Rutz.
Got him!
Yep, we started all the way down there.
Hey, Dad. Dad.
And look at down where we were been.
Hey guys, my dad's plan for this part of the video was to drive. So here we go. Dad, you could see yourself. You could see yourself. What does that mean?
Time you get the number 2 spot, buddy.
Yeah, maybe not. Here we go.
It starts to flatten out now.
Oh, well, we'll see you when we're up.
So there was like a ton of mud.
Light brown sand.
It was super slippy just now. Crazy. Now it is again. But I'm just gonna power through it.
Gotta do this.
Rikki, do you have nav?
All right, so we encountered a fence. So we're gonna go around the fence, but we gotta cut some things to get around the fence. Tim's already got his mini cutter out. So this is how we're gonna go. We can drop down in here. This will be fine.
You're fine, right?
Yeah, use a disconnect though.
Yeah. The thing you got to be careful of is that pole. You don't want it to pop up and hit your car.
No, we need to go driver.
Over this hump, it's pretty soft. You're gonna have to carry a little bit of speed.
Okay.
So, Sam, I'll get here and then you can watch me go over that hump. It's pretty soft.
What do you think, Sam?
Walking.
Wonderful.
All right, let's do
Did
it.
you ever think you'd find yourself in this position?
Nope.
Yes.
Where you can like...
Not specifically, but yeah, drop right. I gotta stay as far passenger as I can.
Yeah.
So this is the fence that is impeding us. That is stopping us. All right. I'll go first. I don't care. All right, Lucy. Get ready for this.
I'm getting ready.
Private property and you're not supposed to go that way, right? I have the gates open, so I'm gonna let you go out this way, but you can't come back in this way and you can't go back out that way. All right? I appreciate it.
Take care of each other and keep rock alive.